A Vogel, liver gallbladder drops, 1.7 fluid ounces, 50 milliliters. Product overview description. Dietary supplement milk Thistle complex Swiss GMP standards making nature work fresh herb extract like fresh herbs in a bottle. Exclusive A Vogel formula. Made according to Swiss pharmaceutical good manufacturing practices. Standardized. Tests before, during and after processing guarantee uniform quality and purity. Contains organically grown herbs. Special dispensing insert guarantees accurate measurement and helps prevent contamination. Organic cultivation certified by Bio-Suisse. Bioforce. Supports healthy liver and gallbladder function, supports natural cleansing of toxins, supports good digestion. Bioforce uses a unique process extracting from fresh herbs, not dried. Fresh herbs are usually harvested at their prime and processed within 24 hours before they can dry out. Special extraction process guarantees a maximum of important fresh elements inherent in each herb. Suggested use. Adults, 15 to 20 drops. Children 2 to 12 years, 5 drops in small amount of water 3 times a day. Shake well before using. Other ingredients. Alcohol 62% VV. Warnings. Safety sealed bottle. If ring at bottom of cap is missing or broken, do not use. Keep out of reach of children. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.